Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another Ramble session on a Monday. I hope y'all are doing well. Welcome if you're new here, welcome back if you're returning. So, we are in the new house. Yes, we just moved in on Friday. This past Friday was our first night here, and today is Sunday, the 14th. I am filming in my craft room. Yeah. So, this is the state. Actually, we've only been unpacking, let's see, Friday, Saturday, and then this morning, And I can tell you safely, I think that I have four boxes left to unpack. And that is mainly the stuff on my desk and some of the stuff on my bookshelves. And I can't finish what's on my desk because I have to have my husband cut a piece of wood for me. So it'll get done when it gets done. Let me know about the setup, okay? Is the lighting okay? Can you hear me all right? I do have a microphone. However, I cannot find it at the moment. It's in one of the four boxes. So yeah, let me know about that. The lighting, because in this house, my house actually faces west, and in the old house, it faced, what direction did it face? I can't remember. Not west, south. Yeah. So different lighting, okay? So we're just going to have to work with it because I can't move the house. Okay, let us see. I have not obviously been working. Now, to you guys, I've been on, so y'all just saw me not too long ago, right? But I have not filmed in like 2 weeks. Yeah. So, and we've been super, super busy moving all of our stuff and getting situated and all of that. We stayed with our son and his wife and our baby girl for like the week, right? And yeah, until Friday, till we came over here. And I have to tell you, what a blessing it is to be up here. Oh my gosh, it's so, so nice because yesterday my husband and I were in town. We had to go get some stuff, and I think we forgot we were watching the baby actually. Yeah, the kids were going to go out to dinner. And so we said, yeah, sure, we'll watch her for a bit. And it was so nice just texting my daughter-in-law and saying, hey, we're just going to swing by the house and pick her up. No need to bring her over. Yeah, 5 minutes, we're back home in the house playing with baby, right? It surely beats an hour round trip, okay? So yeah, that is so much better, so much better. So there you have that. Okay, I did attempt to do a little bit of journaling, but not much, right? And I think my craft room had been packed up for 2 weeks. Yeah, so I haven't had any stuff. I did pack an art bag, but there was just a lot going on, right? A lot going on. So let us see here. I'm going to scooch this aside. This is what I was working on this morning, because let me just tell you, okay? Oh my Lanta, guys. Oops, sorry, I hope I didn't knock you. Jeez, that's part of the whole new setup, is so I don't knock you. Oh my Lanta, guys. Can I tell you how many times I've tried to film this video? All right? Can I just tell you? A few, okay? The first time, I got like 10 or 11 minutes in, and all of a sudden I hear drilling, and I'm like, what on earth? Like, what is happening? I thought my husband was trying to put up like the TV or something. I don't know. And finally it just got to be too much. Like, it was reverberating throughout the house. And I'm like, are you kidding me? So I went out there. He was hanging the paper towel holder or something. And he was like, what? I'm like, honey, I was filming. He was like, oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't think you could hear it back there. I said, yes, I can hear it throughout the whole house. Anyway, so had to cut that short. Oh my goodness. Now I'm looking out my window and he's putting our mailbox in. Yay. Yes. And it appears as though Oh my Lanta. I hope he got the measurements and I hope he looked it up online because it has to be something very specific to the USPS. So we'll see about that. I will let you know in the future if we have to redo the mailbox. I don't know. Yeah. Lots of stuff goes into moving house, okay? Oh my gosh. And as most of you know, I mean, we've done it several times, right? Oh my gosh. Yeah, never again. Never again. So this, of course, is my, what is this even? May? Did I put something on here? Oh yeah, there it is. May 2026. Okay. I still have like 10 pages to get done in this book, or 11. I don't even know. But yeah, I guess 10 or 11. No big deal, right? This is what I was sitting here doing while I was waiting for my husband to finish his drilling and all that. And then of course it was 9:30, time to call my aunt. So this is after that. Yeah, but I absolutely love how this has come out. It's been so much fun. So a lot of this stuff that I have stuffed the journal, so it's all good. I just need to get in here with some time, you know, and fix it up, right? That's it. This probably isn't going to be too long a video, just because I got stuff to do. I got stuff to do. But we are going to stuff this journal now. Okay. How are y'all doing? How are y'all doing with your journaling? See, I did start on this. Oh, I did not. Oh, yeah, I did. What is that? Oh, that's pictures of the old room, I think. Yeah. And then you guys saw pictures of the new room. If you go to the community tab, yeah, there are pictures of the new room. I don't know that did we do this on a Sunday? That's the Home Depot moving truck that my husband used. I don't remember. Let me think. Yeah, on the community tab, you can see parts of my new room. I will give a tour when it is completed. I don't know when it will be completed and when I say completed, I mean pictures on the wall, you know, that kind of thing. Yeah, I'm not really sure. Some of you asked about a house tour. I'm not sure. I think I did say that I would try to do one. However, I did not run that past my husband. So he might have other thoughts. I'm not sure. Yeah, we pretty much have, I mean, like our living area, our dining area is all set up. Our kitchen, he worked on the kitchen this morning, got his fantastic pantry all organized. He's super happy about that. And organized his kitchen, so he's very happy about that. Organized the laundry room, which is his domain as well. Yeah. So he's the Energizer Bunny, and he's been working really hard, and I really appreciate all of his efforts. Yeah, and I have been in my room getting all this stuff unpacked because I had, let me just tell you, probably 25 boxes or something to go through. Yeah. It's a lot of stuff. I mean, seriously, it's a lot of stuff. So we're getting there. We're getting there. And so, yes, for those of you who will ask for a craft room tour, of course, I will give you one when it's all done. So it'll be a few weeks, I do believe. Yeah, for that. Okay, so let's see. Sunday. Monday, my daughter, I love these noodles right here. My daughter, because my husband and I were at her brother's house, my son's house, and she made, because she knew we'd be busy doing this, that, and the other. So she made Korean meatball soup. Oh my gosh, was it ever delicious? Yes. And these noodles, and I told her when she was making it, I'm like, oh, save me the packaging. So she did. Very, very sweet. And then we have this Tuesday the 9th. That's the 7th. Monday, Tuesday the 9th. Okay, that goes there. Faith-based. I have to tell you guys too, I've had a rough week or two health-wise. I'll fill you in at a later time, but yeah, it's been It's been rough. It's been a bit rough. And of course, add that to the stress of moving and packing and all, that jazz. Yeah. And then this right here, my sweet friend Kay had made these. And this is what, oh, people, I needed to just ask forgiveness. To my husband, of course, because, oh, my Lanta, I'm not sure if it's the medication or what. But folks, I have been angry. Have I ever been angry? I have gotten on my poor husband's last nerve. I am sure of it. Oh my goodness. It's been rough. Okay, it's been rough. But Kay made these and they're just so beautiful. And so please go over to her channel. I will leave it down below. Let me see what day. This was on the 13th. My nails have all like cracked and peeled and fallen off. I don't know what's happening with my life. Oh, the stress of it all, the stress of it all. Yeah, so there's that. Okay, this was today, actually. This is what I had for breakfast today. Here is Remington, all right? Now, this dog looks a lot fluffier and a lot fatter than my dog. Our poor Remington, he has not eaten in like 2 days, possibly 3, I'm not sure. He's having none of it. He's having none of it, okay? Yeah. Everything's the same but different. You know what I mean? Like the house is different, obviously, but our couch is the same. He has the same spot on his couch, so I'm not really sure. It's just, well, obviously I am really sure. He's a very particular dog that does not like change. And so he's in a state right now. But then yesterday, my husband took me to Polka, and it is a Polish, well, it says here European, but yeah, we got some dinner for the baby and me, some Polish kielbasa, yum, something called, what's it called? Oh gosh, now I forget what it's called. Hunter stew. It's cabbage and some other stuff, and it was really good. And pierogies, which are always yummy, yes. So we got that last night and a big old slab of cake. Oh my goodness, was it ever good. It's going to take me 3 or 4 nights to eat it, but that's okay. Yes, it was very good. Very good, very good indeed. And this, we went with Mama and Papa for breakfast one day with the baby, so that was fun. Oh, it was the day I went to see the oncologist. Again, I'll fill you in on all that stuff at a later time. This is faith-based. Let me see. Faith-based, I had a lot. Thank you, God, for keeping me afloat when no one else noticed I was drowning. Yeah, that is how I felt this past week, right? And the week before. Yeah, oh well, you'll have those days. Tuesday the 9th. Yeah. So there we go there. I am so looking forward, guys, this is Tuesday the 9th as well. I'm so looking forward to just being in here once again and just my routine. That's part of the stress too, you're just all like kerfuffled, you know what I mean? This is a prayer my sweet mother-in-law sent me because she knew I was having a rough time. So, ever so thankful for her. Yeah, and don't forget, let me know, down below about the setup, right? Like, is it okay? Are we too close? Are we not, because I can move it up so you can see more of the desk, I guess. So, yeah, just let me know. This is a Bible verse. This was the funny that I put. What inspires you to get out of bed every morning? My bladder, mostly. Yup. That's what happens when you get older. Yep. But it was hilarious, so I thought I'd put that in. And then yet another Pentel a refill, yes, because I write constantly, right? Like, for real. I write constantly. Okay, so this is all stuffed. And this is ready to go. Okay. And then this here is pretty much stuffed. And so, yeah, so with my May journal, I just need to find the time, which I have been getting up kind of early-ish. I mean, this morning I was up at 3. But I was in here putting stuff away and emptying boxes. I think I emptied like 4 boxes before 4 in the morning, perhaps. I don't even know. So this is all stuffed. I just need to sit in here and do my stuff, right? And then if you're asking, for those of you who won the notepad giveaway, I still have them, okay? Don't worry, I have not sent them yet. I've not had the time. I have been busy moving. So I really appreciate your grace. Man, my hands are cramping today. Yes, I appreciate your grace very much. I'm hoping that I will be able to get them out this week coming up. My husband and I have a very light schedule. Yeah, I have the dentist. That's it. So quick trip to there. And then I am hoping to get those sent out. Okay. What else? What else? I don't know. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'm so happy to be here. I'm so happy to have my room. Oh, and the other thing that was really cool, because I had told you guys before, if you remember, I wanted my desk in front of the window with my 2 bookshelves, you know, flanking it on either side. And my husband was worried about the cleaning. You know, if you know, you know, right? And so when we moved in here, I was like, let's just try it. And lo and behold, it fits. And I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. But like I said, it'll be in a couple weeks. What is coming up this week is, let me see, tips and tricks in organization on Wednesday. And then we have the beaded pen. Yeah, the beaded pens I showed you. Yeah. That's coming up on Thursday, I believe. Yeah. And then for Faith-Filled Friday, we are going to be doing a prayer basket. Yes, we are. So come back for that if you want to. And yeah, I think that's it. I know this is probably like a really quick video, but I got more things to unpack in this house. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And I will thank you so much for your time. I will. And I will thank you for choosing to spend your time with me, because why? I know how precious time is. Yes, I do. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, a wonderful week. I'm glad I was able to come in here and just film a real quick video for you, an update for you. Everything's going swimmingly. Yeah, it's all going well. And yeah, I will fill you in more next week. Hopefully we'll be a lot more settled. I think everything will probably be put away and ready to go and all that stuff, you know. Yeah, so again, thank you so much, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.